The Tesla Model X has always been an iconic premium electric SUV with its futuristic design, high performance, and cutting-edge technology. As 2026 approaches, Tesla is reportedly preparing a major refresh for the Model X, which will not only improve efficiency and performance, but also deliver a more advanced autonomous driving experience. Here's what you need to know, and stay tuned. The 2026 Model X's exterior design features a more aerodynamic and modern design language. While retaining its signature shape with its iconic Falcon wing doors, Tesla has refined the front end with a minimalist closed grille, adaptive matrix LED headlights, and a new bumper with a smoother diffuser for aerodynamic efficiency. The rear end has also been updated with a thin, fully integrated LED strip, creating a futuristic and elegant look. Furthermore, the bodywork is now lighter thanks to the use of aluminum and carbon fiber composites, improving energy efficiency and acceleration. Stepping inside, the 2026 Model X features a tech luxury cabin concept that emphasizes futuristic simplicity and high comfort. The 17-inch main display now features 8K resolution with a high refresh rate. Tesla also introduced the Tesla Immersive Sound 2.0 system, with 22 speakers and automatic acoustic adjustment technology based on passenger position. Interior materials include premium vegan leather and finely textured recycled wood panels, underscoring its commitment to sustainability. The 2026 Tesla Model X will be offered in key variants. The long-range AWD variant is claimed to be capable of a range of up to 660 km WLTP thanks to improved motor efficiency and the latest battery cooling system. Tesla's dual or tri-motor AWD drivetrain is now controlled by a new AI-based algorithm that predicts road conditions in real time, delivering exceptional traction and stability across a wide range of surfaces. The 2026 Model X is equipped with a new generation 4680-cell battery with a high-efficiency liquid-cooled system. Its battery capacity is approximately 120 kWh and supports Supercharger V5 super-fast charging, which can add up to 320 km of range in just 10 minutes. The 2026 Tesla Model X comes with major updates to the 5th-generation autopilot system and full self-driving FSD V12, which utilizes 11 4K cameras and a significantly faster Tesla Dojo Neural processor. This feature allows the car to drive fully autonomously in most road conditions without driver intervention. Tesla continues to prioritize safety. The 2026 Model X is equipped with Autonomous Emergency Braking 2.0, Predictive Collision Avoidance System, Adaptive Cruise Control Pro, Driver Monitoring System with AI internal camera and ultra-hard steel frame structure, and new deformation zones. The 2026 Tesla Model X is expected to go on sale in early 2026, priced between $95,000 and $125,000. The global launch is planned to begin in the United States, followed by Europe and Asia. The 2026 Tesla Model X is a testament to the evolving maturity of electric vehicle technology, combining extreme performance, premium comfort, and near-perfect autonomous capabilities. With its refined design and increasingly humane, futuristic technology, the 2026 Model X is not only a luxury electric SUV, but also a symbol of the future of intelligent, efficient, and environmentally friendly mobility.